Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to hide like you have made on Instagram. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is opening our Instagram profile. So we can tap on the profile button and tap on this three lines button on the top right corner of our screen to open the Instagram setting, and click on the settings and privacy. And after the settings and privacy has been opened, we can scroll down until we find the likes you've made right here. Okay, and if you want to hide the likes you have made on Instagram, you have to click on don't allow anyone to see likes. Okay, and right after you select this option, your like that you have made on Instagram will be hidden from anyone. Alright guys, and that's how we can hide like we have made on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.